Hello, everyone. I'm Delarusa Mae.
And I'm Cole Davis. Welcome to WealthVerse, where wealth meets wisdom. Japan has very little oil, gas, or mineral wealth.
Yet it's one of the world's strongest economies. Instead of exporting raw materials,
Japan exported high-quality products the world wanted. Japan invested heavily in education and built a highly skilled workforce. Japan chose innovation. You tend to choose innovation.
that decision created products trusted around the world.
Here's today's WealthVerse challenge.
If your country had no oil or gold,
What industry wealthy?
share your answer in the comments.
Subscribe time.
Until next time.
Wealth isn't just what you own, it's what you know.